Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Indications from global markets are stable, and Singapore Nifty is trading marginally higher. Let us see what the undertone of our market is indicating. On Monday, Nifty has wiped out all the gains achieved after the announcement of the Union Budget 23. Actually, the closing of the Nifty remained below the level of 17,244, which is a matter of concern. It was the low on the day of Union Budget announcement. So certainly it matters a lot, and if we see the market is closing below the same, that means the markets are ready to fall further. Nifty can come down to the levels of 17,000, below the levels of 17,244, 300 levels. But if crude oil prices and 10-year bond yield continue to rise, it will be easy to move to the levels of 16,800. On the upside, there could be resistance for the Nifty at 17,280 and at 17,380 levels. Almost around 17,300, we are expecting market to come under some profit taking or some liquidation pressure. In case if we see the market is crossing the levels of 17,300 confidently, then the possibilities of hitting 17,380 would turn bright. Around 17,000 can be invested from a medium to long term perspective, because then in that case we see market falling by 800 points from the highs, and it will be then very closer nearer to the previous low of 16,800. We cannot forget, and we have to keep in mind that the market is forming symmetrical triangle, and in that it is forming lower highs and higher bottoms. So in that particular formation, if we see the market is moving or reaching to the previous low, then there we need to be ready to take some contra bets, but around 17,000 or below 17,000 levels. For the day, we are going to focus on again commodities and financials, because there we are seeing momentum whenever we see the market is recovering from lower levels. FIs have again started creating short positions in the FNO segment. Index futures and put options have been added, while call options have been reduced. In the cash segment, both FIs as well as DIs sold heavily on Monday. All these indicators are indicating a bullish restriction, bullish cap in the market. So 17,300, 17,380 would be major resistance, and below 17,000 we need to be extra cautious if there is any trading long positions. Friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.